So apparently a hurricane is going to hit the United States in the same years as the last one. Oh boy. Hurricane season is starting to peak, and you can certainly tell. Around this time, several storms have already formed out in the Atlantic. Hurricane Paulette and Tropical Storm Sally, which is set to become a hurricane soon, along with these other storms out there in the ocean, which will not landfall in this other tropical depression that's located somewhere to the west of Sally. First, let's start off with rain. Rain is poorly organized and will probably become a remnant on Monday, according to the National Hurricane Center. It poses no danger to land, and neither does Tropical Depression 20, but that one's set to become a tropical storm and will probably be hazardous to sailors and boat travelers. So if you know anyone who's planning to go fishing in that area or something, please warn them. And now we move on to Hurricane Paulette, which is going to be approaching Bermuda by Monday morning, and it's going to be a dangerous storm. There's a hurricane warning already in effect for the island, and it's going to be packing strong winds, large waves, storm surges, all the effects, and it might top out as a Category 2. And now we move on to the storm that poses the biggest threat to the United States, Sally. The storm surges from this particular storm could get as high as 7 feet. And of course damaging winds will also be a threat, but by far one of the biggest threats will be the flooding. Heavy rain and the storm surge will together form a big threat of flooding for the whole region, and on top of that, the deadly Category 4 Hurricane Laura already affected many of these same regions, and many are still recovering. Overall, Sally is looking to be a damaging storm that may add on to the damage that Laura had already done. And unfortunately, this storm will probably hamper recovery efforts of Laura with additional damage. And those are some of the known tropical systems in the Atlantic right now, including some that can be very threatening. I'm sorry if this diverges from my usual content on YouTube, but I just wanted to put out something in relation to the weather community. At one point, my channel itself was going to be a weather channel, as I had very much an interest in the weather, and on Twitter I have been a part of the weather community to some extent. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.